Databases have come an extraordinarily long way in a very short period of time. They are now, at this very moment, reshaping both the digital world and the way we live in the actual world. So, how did databases become so important? In the 1960s, the term database was introduced, so too was the availability of direct access storage devices. As computers became cost-effective, faster and more capable, database systems began to evolve. The arduous task of organizing records on storage devices was now handled by database management systems. In the 1970s, the term Relational Database Management System, RDBMS, was coined. It was based on Edgar F. Codd's idea of the relational database model. SQL, Structured Query Language, became the standardized language for querying databases. In the 1990s, the Internet arrived. This allowed client-server models to reach end users, which in turn led to the exponential growth of both the web and databases. That's the history, but what about the present and future? Today, databases are among the most important structural elements of the World Wide Web. They are one of the cornerstones of information technology. They provide people with the ability to organize, process, and manage information in a structured and controlled manner, and so are crucial to many aspects of modern business efficiency. Thanks to databases, you can save substantial time in retrieving information, have lots of different ways to look at your data, and link different sources of information to achieve a desired outcome. What about tomorrow? The amount of data that is being generated each day is ever increasing. By the year 2020, each person on Earth will be producing 1.7 megabytes of data per second, or 143 gigs of data per person per day. How will all this data get stored and processed? This is where cloud databases come in, which can grow to an unparalleled scale. In theory, there is no limit as to how much data could be stored and processed in a cloud database. The only bottleneck could be the finances. Modern database management systems combine different sources, allowing for information to be quickly located and displayed to the end user. Database management systems are popular because databases are used by all types of organizations, including end users. Without a database, most of the software, web, and mobile applications wouldn't exist in their present form. For example, Facebook and eBay, to name just two. In fact, databases for popular sites already store their data on the cloud and process massive amounts of data per day. Last year, Google processed over 4 trillion queries, which would have been impossible without the cloud. Where will the cloud take you? Before you can play a role in the next era of database development, there is a lot to learn about databases in the cloud. So, let's get started.